bottomers and pick up just 1 bead of my white. And pick in the pink. How are you everybody doing? Happy Wednesday. Hope you all have a good day today. So I'm gonna wait for a little bit and let it just get it set. And kind of using the tips of the brush. Separate them out. I want to stir that one quick a little bit. And if you want to be doing the same, you can pick up the same amount of powders and pick up the white and the pink. I don't know if you can see me. I will try to get it close as possible. Hello Facebook, hi Instagram. Hope everyone's have a great day today. Such a really productive day today for us. I just have a little bit, pick a little bit pink, so it's give you a hint of give me 1 second. I'm gonna put it right closer to me. It's gonna be so much fun today. We are learning like different acrylic, liquid and powder, 3D. Close this one for me. Pick up my white and get my... Hey, Sophia! Hi, Tony! Hi, Sophia em. How are you em? Sophia, chị nặn bông 3D nè. So you see I let it set for just a second and then I start using a body of brush and get it. You can see it slowly when it's set in the meantime. This is really simple basics for beginners. All beginners can achieve this look so easy. Pick up the second one. And then this layer of the petals, I using a smaller beads of powders. And wipe my brush on the towel so then it won't be too wet. And using a body. Pick up the second round. Today we're going to learn all about 3D because we have so many requests regarding for the 3D flowers. Using a tip of the brush. And I can save that ones for little pink there. And I'm gonna do some cute flowers over here all the way down. This is for the tutorial for a lot of you who asking for, so many of you asking for the flowers. And as you can see that I just pick up white and I pick up pink. We also did with a lot of 3D flowers as well, just in case for your informations. I'm gonna do this like I save that in the middle so then I can do the crystal on it. Again, this is the videos, tutorials for a lot of you who are requesting for many of the Glitz fans and clients using the 3D brush because we have so many really high volume of the Glitz fan. Oh, sorry. I take all of you from a little bit break from a neon. Last night we did really nice set of neon last night. I can't wait to be announced who is the name of it and who is the winner of that theme. So I'm gonna do it like this all the way down. Yes, Nail by Zoe. Yes, the brush, the 3D brush is available on our website, sweetie. If you search for 3D brush. If you want the same petals, you just need to get like a same side of the bead. Try to get the same close enough size of the beads when you pick up the beads each time. Then it will really approximate, give you a really same like size of your flowers or the petals, I mean. I just put a little bit pink hints in there because we have so many of you requests for this. One more. Give it a little bit swirl. It's really interesting. Looks good. I'm gonna give you a little swirl right here, right in the center. And I can put the crystal along with that, so at least it just nails the flowers look complete. I'm gonna put crystal on it, but I will do it on the side. At least I get